Hello and welcome to Sveta's menu. Today we're making a Caesar salad, or rather, a sort of Caesar, as the dressing won't be entirely classic. Let's get started. You will need dried garlic, salt, and herbes de Provence, a handful of cherry tomatoes, Parmesan cheese to garnish, chicken breast, 300 grams, iceberg lettuce, 250 grams. For the croutons, toast bread, a few slices, dried garlic, salt, herbes de Provence, olive oil for drizzling. For the dressing, 1 raw egg, 1 medium clove of garlic, a small amount of Parmesan cheese for flavor, salt, herbes de Provence, about 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of French mustard with seeds, 100 milliliters olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Preparation. We begin by marinating the chicken breast. Take a 300 grams piece of chicken breast and cut it in half. Rub it with herbes de Provence, dried garlic, and salt, and let it marinate. While the chicken marinates, prepare the croutons. Although store-bought croutons are an option, I prefer making them at home. Take some toast bread and cut it into cubes about 1 by 1 centimeter. Place the bread cubes on a baking tray. Sprinkle them with salt, herbes de Provence, and dried garlic, and drizzle with olive oil. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring occasionally to ensure even toasting. Watch them closely so they don't burn. My croutons are ready. They seem to look really good. How do you think? Next, let's make the dressing. In a blender cup, carefully crack a raw egg. Add 1 teaspoon of herbes de Provence, 1 teaspoon of French mustard, the garlic clove, 100 milliliters of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Start blending by holding the blender at the bottom of the cup to form a white emulsion. Once the emulsion begins to thicken, gradually lift the blender to incorporate all the ingredients evenly. Finally, add a small amount of grated Parmesan and blend again. Taste the dressing and adjust with more lemon juice, salt, or herbs if needed. Now it's time to cook the chicken. Lightly grease a baking dish with olive oil, place the chicken in it, and bake at 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 minutes. You can grill it on a pan or bake it in the oven. I usually do both, but for today, we'll bake it. After the chicken has baked and cooled, you can make the salad. Chop the iceberg lettuce into large pieces. Cut the cooked chicken into 1 to 1.5 centimeters cubes. Slice the cherry tomatoes in half. To assemble the salad, place the chopped iceberg lettuce in a bowl and toss it with a small amount of the dressing. Transfer the lettuce to a serving plate. Top it with the cherry tomatoes, chicken cubes, and croutons. Drizzle the salad with a bit more dressing. And garnish with grated Parmesan. And that's it! Your Caesar salad is ready to serve. Bon appétit! And thank you for watching Sveta's menu. Don't forget to share your opinion in the comments and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Bye!